Want to know how to play against bots or play against AI in Paladins? So if you want to take a break from multiplayer and just simply play against bots, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily access it and play it in just under a few clicks. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. This is a main menu. So on the leftmost side, you should be seeing play on top, which should be bolded out. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected play, here you should be seeing various options right here. So here by default you should be on the quick play, and on the third slide you should be seeing training right here. So you can just simply select it. So once you have your training, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So here you can see around 3 options that you can play AI or you can play against AI. So you can see Siege training, team deathmatch, and Oscar training. So you can just simply select any one of these 3 and your matchmaking should start, and in after a while you should be loaded with a match with AI easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.